Go look.
Oh my god! Yeah, look! When you go that way, that's so cool! Look at them! Really? It's like a river! Really? Do it like better! Do it like better! My turn? I need shoes!
Thank you, Jocelyn.
You're welcome. Okay, Mama, I put it on.
Okay, go get your shoes on. Good idea, buddy. Go. You know how to do it. You got them.
You can touch it. Huh? You can touch it. Where? Anywhere. Just don't fall in. I'm not. That's so cool. Look, it's all the way over here, Daddy.
Yeah, it extends all the way from the very back of the property. That's how much rain we're getting, that it's all runoff from somewhere. But it's running down right through the back. And this creek area was already formed when we moved in, so this has been the obvious path. Where?
Anyway, I don't care.
You gonna step in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just make sure you can stop yourself if you start floating down.
It's just a little water.
Okay, we'll see.
It's just a little water.
We'll
It's
see.
so cold.
That water's moving fast, girl.
I got this. I'm strong in water. Hopefully.
Definitely not. But
I don't want to fall in. So Jocelyn does it, I'm going to try.
nah, Jocelyn's just gonna do a little bit real quick. Don't lose your sandal. Don't lose your sandal. Just be careful. Why don't you go over there where it's shallow and then it gets deeper?
Deeper? You just saw that? It just thundered.
Yeah, baby.
You can go in there where it's not that deep.
Yeah.
Now we can like make a path where it's all where it keeps on going like that.
It is raining so freaking hard.
So hard. That's in there right now. I think the ball touched me. Oh, it's very cold. Wait, I'm gonna show you the cold. Okay. Wait, that's it all the way over there though, because I want you to fall. I will. My feet are cold. Really?
That water's ice cold, I'm sure. Oh man, look how much is coming down, dude.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I can make it, but I'm gonna try. This is so cool. How about you going there, huh?
No, I'm not going out there. Be very careful, Jolene. It's starting to rain a lot harder.
It's so hard. Alright, Chloe. I'm gonna go inside now. I wanna get you to the hot, cold river.
Okay. Go a little bit more the other way. Not right there. More that way. More that way. Yes. This is crazy, babe. Come look at this. Hurry. There's no, he can't get his shoes on because it's too raining too hard. Come on.